don't doubt it.
Well, now we know that she can be ridden.
She's broke.
Good girl, Jade.
Oh.
Completely nice for her. She's been better though.
Good job.
More people friendly. Good.
Watch those two. They have no love for each other.
You're a good girl.
Hey, Katie.
You're a good girl.
Thank you.
Yep, nothing broke.
Now she's going to love on you.
Yeah.
You put me to work. Now what am I doing?
Good deal.
You all ready? I'm ready to go for a ride, yeah.
She says, that's my boy right
No,
there.
Justin, you just keep working with her. You'll be able to ride her like Liberty. At least she'll probably do a little better in Liberty because at least she moves.